My name is Ralph Tschentscher. The role at Lesaffre Corporation is Baking Business Development Manager for the United States and Canada. I think the most important one is to share my expertise with our technical team and with our sales team, in addition to create concepts and ideas for our customers, which could be craft bakeries, industrialized bakeries, restaurant chains or pizza chains. My daily missions, one of them is also to attend meetings with clients to show them concepts and ideas, and I do that personally, but also I share those ones with our sales team and technical team. What makes my job unique and what I'm very passionate about is that I'm very fortunate to work with a great professional team and with some exceptional team members. That allows me to bring my creativity using our functional ingredients and other ingredients into baked goods and share that with customers, clients, as well as with our team. What I think about the global team of Lesaffre, it's an exceptional team because we have baking centers around the world, production facilities around the world, allowing us to access information with a mouse click or with an email, and it helps our customers who have international questions related to baking. The reward for me is also when the customer shows genuine interest in the concept or solution provided by Lesaffre and passes this on to his customers. In order to join Lesaffre, to have a position like myself, what I would advise you is to be aware of your surroundings and have a very safe work environment. Be flexible and creative for the ever-changing market we're facing out there. Bring passion, be enthusiastic, be a great team player, understand your customers very well, but also understand your competition, and don't be afraid of going the extra mile.